Scotsman's new energy-efficient Undercounter cube ice machines maximize ice output despite their small footprint, making them the perfect machine for any application. Only 24 inches wide, these space-saving ice machines offer flexible placement options without compromising ice production. Air moves through the front of the machines, so there is no side clearance required. These machines also feature a removable front air filter and a recessed utility chase, providing clearance for tight installs by sitting flush against the wall. Our 24-inch units can be purchased with an optional floor mount kit that reduces the machine's height by approximately 6 inches. Installation is quick and easy. The machine's power cord, plug, and adjustable legs are included with purchase. These ice machines are simple to operate. The door is designed to slide up with ease. Each unit includes a scoop and sports a QR code. Scanning this code will pull up information specific to that machine, including model number, serial number, user manuals, cleaning instructions, parts lists, and warranty history. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA, 100% of our machines receive a quality check before leaving our ISO 9001 certified factory. Each unit boasts certifications in UL, AHRI, and NSF, proving the quality of our manufacturing and design. We have designed our ice machines to be reliable, providing customers with a worry-free experience. Each machine features a heavy-duty, rust-free front panel, and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy side panels ensure maximum reliability and contribute to a long machine life. Plus, each machine comes with an industry-leading 3-year parts and labor warranty and an additional 2-year parts warranty on the compressor. Each Scotsman Undercounter ice machine is efficient in both energy and water usage. This benefit not only saves our customers money, but also takes our planet into consideration. With Scotsman's new Undercounter cube ice machines, you get the reliability your facility requires while saving space and maximizing ice output. Visit www.scotsman-ice.com for more information on our products and brand, as well as access to our interactive sales and marketing tools.